Welcome. Speak English confidently at the bank. Let's get started. Entering the bank. Good morning. I'd like to open an account. Talking to the teller. How can I help you today? I want to deposit some money. Vocabulary, bank basics. Account. Deposit. Withdraw. Balance. Statement. Opening an account. I need a savings account. Please fill out this form. Providing ID. Do you have your ID? Yes, here it is. Asking for information. What's the minimum balance? Are there any fees? Making a deposit. I want to deposit 200. Cash or check? Withdrawing money. I'd like to withdraw 50. Here is your receipt. Checking balance. What's my account balance? You have $620 in your account. Talking about cards. I lost my debit card. We'll block it and issue a new one. Transferring money. I want to send money to another account. Please provide the account number. Using the ATM. I forgot my PIN. Please contact customer service. Online banking. Can I check my balance online? Yes, we have mobile banking. Common phrases. I need to change my address. I want to update my phone number. Asking about loans. Do you offer personal loans? What are the interest rates? Ending the visit. Thank you for your help. You're welcome. Have a nice day. Review vocabulary. Practice, deposit, withdraw, teller, loan, balance. Practice tip. Repeat phrases out loud and record yourself to improve fluency.